Yeah, I know somebody whose sex game will run you in the ground. Like a torpedo or something like that, just spin you right into the ground with their sex game. They literally can't get enough. And I don't care what y'all do. Toss it, flip it, rub it down. Oh no. It don't matter. They sex game. It may not be the truth, but it's off the charts. And the average woodpecker that got diabetes, a bad knee, low self-esteem, y'all don't stand a chance. This person's sex game is off the charts. Beat you into submission. And y'all might be surprised at who doing the beating. Yeah, this story is this is a mystery. But I know somebody whose sex game is off the charts. They will beat you into submission. And y'all might be thinking the one side the way that y'all probably thinking. This is the other side. You can bring as many campers as you want. As many dogs and many wolves. Oh! You can bring as many as you want. Person line them up, knock them down. Can't get enough. The only clue that I want to give is what gender was Will Smith's dog in I Am Legend? I'm going to tell you, his dog name was Sam.